Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about the best summer gadgets under $50. Let's head into it. Number 8. Kindle Paperwhite. One of the classic summer vacation activities is poolside reading. Kindles have long been a favorite of the on-the-go bookworms, but the new Kindle Paperwhite takes a different approach to the standard design. The Paperwhite is IPX8 rated, which means it can withstand being submerged in water for up to 2 meters. The latest version is also noticeably slimmer than previous generations, weighing in approximately 6.5 ounces, depending on configuration. The Paperwhite comes with up to 32 gigabytes of internal storage, allowing you to even store more of your favorite books. Also, make sure to write your thoughts in the comment section. Number 7. Go to 10K Portable Power Pack. Portable power banks are an excellent way to keep your electronic devices charged at all times. Not all backup power banks, however, are equally portable. The Go-To 10K, on the other hand, is 1.5 inches thick, under 7 inches long, and weighs 9.5 ounces in total. This ultra-compact design is perfect for stowing in a backpack or purse when you're on the go. Multi-device charging is possible thanks to the dual USB-A ports. For convenience and peace of mind between outlets, an LED indicator along the side displays the remaining charge. Number 6. Dyson Cool-Me. Extended heat waves are unquestionably one of the summer's biggest drawbacks, especially for households without adequate cooling systems. Dyson has become synonymous with high-quality engineering and airflow technology in recent years, and the Dyson Cool-Me is one of the most adaptable fans available. A fully adjustable dome directs airflow, allowing you to precisely focus the mechanical breeze on a specific location, rather than billowing sheets of air across a room. The model easily fits on a bedside table due to its low-profile design, allowing for more precise airflow above the sheets while you sleep. The Dyson Cool-Me also has a built-in HEPA filter that helps purify the air by removing particulates as small as 0.3 microns. That's a really cool operator you've got there. Number 5. BioLite Camp Stove 2. The high center of gravity of a traditional camping stove, as anyone who has used one knows all too well, adds a layer of difficulty and stress to the culinary task. Thankfully, the BioLite model comes with a set of extendable aluminum legs to help support the stove while it's in use. This lowers the center of gravity and reduces the chances of making a mistake while preparing the meal. The unit also captures heat emitted during cooking and converts it to electricity using a thermoelectric generator. An internal battery pack stores the converted electricity. The USB port connected to this thermoelectric generator system and battery pack allows users to connect and charge their electronic devices. Number 4. Luftleiter Original Electric Fire Starter.
Try a new lifestyle on the other side. Unleash your mild nature in a smart way and explore the underwater world like a pro.
Although a 21st century camping stove is convenient, some people still prefer the taste and art of traditional grilling. Getting the charcoal, briquettes, or wood up to temperature is one of the most unpleasant aspects of traditional grilling. While igniter fluid can help speed up the process, some grilling purists prefer to avoid them to avoid the risk of unwanted flavors being introduced to the grilling environment. The Luftleiter Original Electric Fire Starter, on the other hand, doesn't use fire or lighter fluid to ignite the charcoal briquettes. Instead, the model ignites combustion with superheated air. The device can produce superheated air up to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit in less than a minute. The design also includes a bottle opener, making this fire starter more than a one-trick pony. Number 3. Genino S2. While a personal underwater propulsion system may not be practical for most consumers, that doesn't rule out the possibility of a market. Regardless, the Genino S2 is designed to give swimmers a boost in a variety of situations, including snorkeling and lounging by the hotel pool. Swimmers can choose between 2 speed settings, allowing them to coast at their leisure or at a faster pace. The top speed is estimated to be just under 3 miles per hour, with a charge time of about 45 minutes. Number 2. worx WR153 Landroid. Over time, we've gradually begun to assign more difficult tasks to a wide range of increasingly agile robotic appliances. There are even fleets of impressive bots capable of mowing our lawns, with the worx WR153 Landroid being one of the most popular models available. The Landroid is registered for lawns up to half an acre, and users can clip as often as they want using the scheduled control settings. When the battery is nearly depleted, the device automatically returns to its docking station for recharging. The anti-collision system avoids obstacles in its path automatically, and boundary wires can be added to keep the unit from wandering into dangerous territory. Because the Landroid can handle slopes up to 20 degrees, it should be able to navigate yards with moderately rolling terrain. Number 1. Motorized Pool Lounger. The Pool Candy Splash Runner 2.0 Pool Lounger is a sight to behold. This engineering marvel arose naturally From the evolution of standard inflatable pool lounger with two 66-watt motors, this unit rhetorically answers the age-old question, why paddle when you can pilot a personal inflatable watercraft to your destination? The lounge captain have complete control over the craft's propulsion system thanks to two joysticks mounted ergonomically along the chair arms. In a standard pool environment, the device's top speed is estimated to be around 3 miles per hour, and yes, there's a cup holder. According to the manufacturer, after being passed over in the past, this could be the year the lounge wins a Red Dot Award for the best product design. What do you think about these summer gadgets? Which one is the best one? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it, hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.